Hello everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku, a Tectonic with 3 stars. And this will be number 1846. So let's get started. Alright, and the first question is, can we see here the single box? Can we find the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. Do we have here also dual boxes? I see here the dual box. Dual boxes 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I cannot fill this directly, so I mark them. Have we here also a triple box? I see here triple box 1, 2, or 3. We see here 1, so those 2 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark them. Yeah. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 2 boxes left. Here 1 or there 1. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. So I eliminated the 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left for the 3 and the 5. Let me mark them. 3 and a 5. We have a 4 here. That means those 4 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then these 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. We have a 5 here. That means those 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround a 5 cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes surround a 3 cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 4. I cannot place the 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be there. And the 4 goes here. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 4 are left. 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. Now we have 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5 are left. The 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4 and this should be a 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. Yeah, I have marked those 2 boxes with the 2. If I place a 2 here, that means those 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. I need a 2 in one of those 3 boxes. 1, 3, so the 2 should be in one of those 3 boxes. So if this cannot be a 2, so this should be the 2. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then oh, apologies, bumped the camera. I need to have a fixed camera. I have this on a tripod, so, and it's a small tripod. Alright. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. That box, those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. If I place a 5 here, then I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can also not be a 5 because we have a 5 there. So it's not a solution that I place a 5 here. So the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Here. We have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 4, so the 5 and the 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, the 3 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them. Then this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 or 5. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, so it could be 3 or 5. If I place a 5 here, that means in these 3 boxes, I cannot place a 5 anymore. And I need a 5 in one of those 3 boxes. The 1 is used, the 3 is used. So I need a 5 in one of those 3 boxes. So this cannot be a 5, this should be a 3. So the 5 should be in one of those 2 boxes. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. The 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 box left should be the 4. Then this box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 4 and a 5. That means that this box, 1 box left for the 3, should be here. The other box is reserved for the 2. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 1 and the 4 are left. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1, and this should be a 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. 4, 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 3 and a 4. We see here 3. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 4. Now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes, and they are finished in 13 minutes. Alright. A great Tectonic. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow with the Thursday edition. Yes, see you then. Have a great day. Bye bye.